On today's video, I want to show you an effective home remedy for cough, flu symptoms, and sore throat that actually tastes so good. The ingredients we need are oranges, lemon, ginger, and honey. Ginger has so many health benefits, but on today's video, I just want to talk about its anti-inflammatory effect on the respiratory system. Ginger causes bronchodilation, breaks down thick mucus, and helps you to expel the mucus. It also contains some antioxidants and boosts the immune system. Oranges and lemons are so high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very powerful immune system booster. So when you have a strong immune system, it means that your symptoms will be less severe and it will also shorten the time of the sickness. Another thing you have to know is when you are sick, like when you have all those flu symptoms, your body, your immune system is fighting all the battles for you. So the much you can do is to support your immune system in the battle, which is basically consuming foods that boost the immune system, which are foods that are high in vitamin C or vitamin C, such as oranges, lemons. Oranges and lemons have the most vitamin C in their peel and in the white parts before the fruit. So I would recommend you blend your oranges instead of squeezing just the orange juice. You will get more benefits, you will get more nutrients and more vitamins from the orange and the lemon if you peel it and try to leave the white parts a bit and blend everything instead of just squeezing out the juice. Now blend the oranges, the lemons, and the ginger with water. Transfer into a mesh sieve. You can also use a cheesecloth and try to extract our juice. Guys, what are we going to do with this orange pulp? Are we going to throw it away? Can we make orange fufu with this? Let me know in the comment section what we can do with the pulp. Now this is our juice, but one more thing, we have to add honey. Guys, honey soothes the throat. So if you have sore throat, honey is a good remedy for it. It also relieves cough. Gently pour in the honey and mix everything together. One thing I love about this drink is the taste. Like apart from the health benefits, the taste is amazing. Like it tastes so good. It tastes so good. And because of that, kids love it as well. So this drink is perfect for kids 1 year and above. Please do not give it to any kid that is less than a year because of the risk of botulism. Don't give anything with honey to any child less than 1 year old. But this drink is perfect for anybody 1 year and above. You can drink this warm or chilled, and you can save some in the fridge for later. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.